Hi there everybody, I am Ann the Home Bartender and welcome to my channel. I follow Boston Tiki Party on Instagram and you should as well. I'll put Carolyn's Instagram page info in the description box below. She has a really fun vibe and she makes great cocktails and I really like her photography that she does. That's where I found today's cocktail and it's totally worthy of my channel. Today's cocktail is called the Devil Wears Pineapple and I'm going to try it for you now. I really like this cocktail. It's made with mezcal and tequila and a few other tiki type ingredients that I'll give you later, but you can expect it to be bright and light. It's going to have a tiny little bit of smoky flavor right up front. It doesn't call for very much mezcal, but as you probably already know, a little bit can go a long way. It's going to have a nice orange flavor and color. It'll be slightly herbal and citrusy. I love that, and we get a nice froth on here when we shake it. It has pineapple juice in it, so that's what brings us the froth. I hope you're intrigued. Stick around, and I'll go through the ingredients for this cocktail coming up next. So this is actually a pretty easy cocktail to make, but like any tiki cocktail, it has a lot going into it. So let's get started right away with 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Then we use a 1/2 ounce of yellow Chartreuse. The yellow Chartreuse is going to be a little bit less herbal than the green Chartreuse. It's going to be a little bit more floral. I think the green Chartreuse would be too much for this cocktail today. Next, we have a 1/2 ounce of Aperol, bringing in that great orangey note. After that, a 1/2 ounce of Reposado Tequila. If you have a favorite tequila that you like that's Reposado Tequila, let me know in the comments. I don't really know that much about Reposado Tequilas and which flavor appeals to me best, but I do like this in particular brand a lot, this Centenario. So let me know, I'll be interested to know that. Now we have 1/2 ounce of Mezcal. All right, so next we're gonna get some ice in our tin here. Let's get some ice in our snifter here before I start, just a little bit. So then a little bit more ice over the top of this. Let's get some palm fronds in there for a beautiful little decoration. This brandy snifter, the top of it, the little hole in it is pretty small. I might lose my straw in there. Surfside Sip straw and a little beautiful hibiscus umbrella. That is the Devil Wears Pineapple. Today's cocktail is a riff on the Naked and Famous, which calls for yellow Chartreuse, as you probably already know. And that is why Carolyn came up with this one. It's because she finally got a bottle of yellow Chartreuse and tried the Naked and Famous, but she didn't really care for the mezcal very much in the cocktail. She really wanted to tiki it up. And I'm really glad she did because this cocktail is wonderful. It's got a really great evolution. It's a must try for an adventurous drinker. It's different and I love that. Great job and thank you, Caroline. Go follow Boston Tiki Party on Instagram for sure. That's it for me today. Hit the like button, do the bell thing, and please comment and tell me what kind of cocktail pages you follow on Instagram. I'd really like to know that. Come take a seat with me at my home bar next Friday. I'll be right here. Until then, be well. Quiet on the set. Okay.